Would you like to make dishwasher detergent? It's just 1 cup of borax. Then it's 1 cup of washing soda. Not baking soda, washing soda. Then you'll need to get a 1/2 cup measuring. And this is citric acid. And I got mine off of Amazon. And then finally, about a 1/2 cup of sea salt. So you're just going to mix this all together really well. And you're just going to want to keep it in an airtight container. I always keep some moisture packs in mine just to help it not clump. Here in Louisiana, we have a lot of humidity. So I'm just going to fill up my container. I hope you make it, and I hope it works well for you. Come back and leave me a comment if you do. Enjoy.